Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very experimental makeup video. Before we get into the video, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Please leave your comments in the comment section below and give a thumbs up to this video if you like my video. So getting into the video. Okay, so among the three things that I got you, first one is a nail polish combo. It's an 8 nail polish velvet matte nail polish combo, and when I saw it, I thought matte means it will be really very nice. This is how the packaging was, exactly like this. The thermocol were also placed exactly like this, and this is one of the colors. I'll show you all the colors, and I just wanted to show you the bottle and the detailing it has. This is almost of the price of L18, but I don't like the quality so much. I'll tell you about it further in my video. And all of this is pretty good. I mean, it's not exactly very cheap. It was 350 rupees for 8 bottles, so I didn't find it very cheap. It is almost, if you calculate individually, it comes up to 46 or so, around 40s. And that's the thing. And yeah, let's see how it is from inside and we move forward. Okay, so these are the 8 colors. I'll show them to you in some time. This is the yellow one, first one. It's very bright, and the first time when I saw this, I didn't think this is matte at all, because if you closely look through, I don't know if it's visible in the camera or not, but if you look at it very closely, there are tiny shiny particles on it. I don't exactly know what it is, but they are there. And this is how the bottle is averagely for everything. Yeah, that's it. And this is one color I like. It's like a baby pink color, and it's nice. It's baby pinkish but yet peach. It's like a nude color, and it will probably go very nicely with everything. There were other combination of colors, but I bought this because only one color to me was useless, that is the yellow, because I don't prefer yellow on my nails, and I think it doesn't look good on me. But if somebody likes yellow, this would be perfect for them, because all the other colors are kind of mandatory to have in your nail color combination, in a box of nail color. So this is another purplish color, purplish pink. It's like magenta color. And this is another favorite. If you can see, I have the color on my nail right now. It's like a tomato red color. It's not very pure red, but it's a very nice soothing color. um, it is nice. This one is by far my favorite color. And the next color is, it's kind of orangish, but it's a darker shade of orange. This is also, I think, can be considered among the nude shades, and it's very nice to look at. I love the color, but when you apply it first, I think for the first day or so, I think it looked nice, but after that, the paint seems to be wearing off the nails. And this is just pure black. Matte black is obviously very famous, and it was just my dream to have a proper matte black color. Okay, this is a very contrasting and very popping red color. It's very red in color, like very bright. I love this for parties and other stuff, but for daily use, I would prefer the tomato-ish red color, because it will go better. The last is this. I don't know why, but I love this color. I don't know if a lot of you will like it, but it's a kind of peacock blue color, and I just love this color. And that's it. This color is very nice. I love the color. The colors are amazing. Everything is amazing about this, except the packaging. I really didn't like it, but it is okay. I mean, for 350 rupees, you're getting 8, so there has to be some kind of uh, cost cutting here and there. So the packaging was not very nice. Um, but it's fine. Each bottle is 12 ml, and I forgot to I forgot to tell you that each bottle is 12 ml, and it's pretty huge bottle. When I bought this, I was expecting those teeny 20 rupees bottle which we get in local shops in India. So I was expecting that. So seeing this was a plus point for me, because it's a very huge bottle with a lot of paint in it, and should last a lot. And so the day I received it, I applied it on my hand, and the thing was, after applying, it took some while to dry off, and for the day and a half it was very nice, and it was really matte finish, like actual matte finish was there. But then after the day, it started becoming glossier and glossier, and this is the third day I have applied it, and I don't know if you can notice it, but I am having chipped away things over here. Like, the color is slightly chipping away on the corners, on both the edges of my nails. They're slightly chipping away slowly. So if you're searching for something very good, so I wouldn't recommend you if you're searching for something very good. But if you want matte but still be in a budget of something decent budget, some kind of decent budget, this is very good. It costed me 350 rupees on Club Factory. So yeah, that's very nice. I like it. Yeah, let's put that aside. Okay, the next one is a very big surprise to me. Frankly, I don't have any idea how they are giving MAC face products for such a cheap cost. Really, I don't have any idea. And um, this is the MAC concealer stick, and I bought a medium shade. I did not buy a very dark lighter shade. This is what they gave me for the medium shade. It is looking very nice, like a MAC one should look. I haven't used MAC before, so I can't really tell a lot of difference. If I find out something talking to some professionals, then I might mention it down in the description below. Please do tell me if you think that this is original MAC or not, because I don't know. I mean, I checked the logo online and it was exactly the same. It works pretty nicely, and let me just apply it here. It looks like this on hand. Pinkish kind of shade is there, and if I apply it, there's not a lot of difference, but it's nice, it's pretty. I mean, it gives a considerable smooth texture to your hand. Last time when I showed Maybelline's in my previous makeup video, I showed Maybelline's one, and after a while Maybelline's became a little darker. And if you guys are watching my video regularly, I did not tell you that in the previous video. I wanted to mention that here, and hopefully all of them will know. And yeah, this is the one. This is MAC concealer stick. I got it for 209 rupees, and that's it. This is how the thing looks. It has some kind of sticker on the bottom. It says net 8 grams, and that's it. Some other stuff about manufacturing. And yeah, that's the thing. This is the stick. Works pretty good on me. I like it. I have been using this, so you can see it's not in a box. I have been using it. I tried it on my face. I have not got any kind of rashes or reactions. I do have a slightly oily skin, so I did not get any kind of reaction. My skin is very sensitive. It usually gives rashes for grass also, so I did not get any kind of reaction. If you apply it in a minimal quantity, your face does become nice, smooth, slightly lighter shade. But I don't know if this is original. Please do tell me in the comments down below if what you think about it. Okay, the next one was a combo of MAC and Maybelline's Colossal Kajal. As far as I've seen, this is original. It is completely original, and I got it as a set for 218 rupees. I have no idea how they do this. This alone costs around 190 or so, and I have no idea how is it possible. Um, Very contrasting to the concealer, I received this. This was a 3-in-1 eyebrow pencil, mascara, and a eyeliner. The inner products are very nice and looks very high quality, but the packaging, I don't think this is Max packaging. But I can't comment on them. I haven't been using Mac at all. I haven't used them at all in my life, so that's the thing. And I have used these also before. I especially wanted to show the packaging, that's why I kept it very carefully. These are the three things. That's how it looks. And the first one is the mascara. For now, let's just keep it aside. This is the eyebrow pencil, and we take it out like this. This is the eyeliner. Okay, this thing, I took it out. It was a little bit lower. I don't know how they put it in, but yeah, it was there. And this is the liner. It has a very rigid and very firm tip, and it looks really nice, and hopefully works nice also. I did try it once or twice, but this is how it comes on to be. And does not dry very quickly. At the moment I use Colossal eyeliner. I find Colossal better than this, so I highly doubt this is original. It's written false lash effect eyeliner, and there is no MAC logo on this. There was a MAC logo only on the cover. So yeah, that's the thing. It spreads very easily. I don't know if it's visible in the camera, but it's going everywhere on my skin, literally everywhere on my skin. And I frankly don't like it. Seriously, I don't like it. And this is the next one. Oh god, this is very tight. I tore it down completely, sticking to my hand. And this is the mascara. I like the mascara. It works pretty nice, but the bristles are very short. I don't know if they're meant to be like that or what, but they are very short compared to the Colossal one that I am currently using. And they are of very good quality, but I don't know if it's original again. I mean, this is such a huge doubt. this is a huge doubt. This is just a huge doubt. It also says it's waterproof mascara, full lashes, natural look mascara. So should be nice. I haven't used it a lot. I used it only once and I removed it immediately. I again don't know if this is original. I have really high doubts on this one and the others in this packet, because the packaging of this already was so skeptic that I don't know if it is nice. This is the eyebrow pencil. I don't find anything bad with this. It's a very nice eyebrow pencil. Very nice actually. It does break down a little while drawing, and I don't really use eyebrow pencil, but it came in the combo offer and I couldn't really tell no to it. There was no option of removing it. So this is the thing. This is the eyebrow pencil. It's very dark. It's very dark and it's nice. It's a basic eyebrow pencil, but I do have to mention that this does not have any sharpener, but although it's a very pencil type of thing, I think it will just sharpen with a pencil sharpener, but it does not have anything inbuilt. So I don't know if the MAC one has it. Let's see if I can afford the original MAC one, so that we can compare these. But yeah, this is just I think it's just average. It totally costed me 216 for all the 4 things, and 216 is quite a reasonable price, and for that price I think it is good. I wouldn't say it is amazing, because if these are fake products, as of now I have used it 2 or 3 times. Except for the eyebrow pencil, I've used the others, and others do not give any kind of reactions. They do not create any kind of rashes. So if you're worried that it's some kind of fake stuff which will harm your eyes or something, I've already tried it on mine and you don't need to worry about it. But it does have some kind of danger per se, or some doubt to it. So that's it. That was the 3 products that I got. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Please do tell me if you think the products are original, and leave your comments in the comment section below and I will reply to them. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next one. Bye.